Hi, it's Jez from Nigezza Creates. Thank you for joining me today. So it's Sunday, so I've got a haul video. This is just a charity shop haul, general things in this, right old mixed match. But look how gorgeous is that. Beautiful postcard. I'm not even going to begin to try and pronounce the artist there, but stunning. So I am going to do a sort of Japanese, Chinese journal. Yeah, so that will go in it. That will go in it. I'm going to not put that in the pile on the floor. I got a couple. Oh, I got another one. I thought I had more than one postcard. There. And then we've got that one. She's lovely too. I may even put this in my Monet journal, because in Monet's house he had loads and loads of sort of Chinese and Japanese artwork, and so yeah, possibly. And I've got this lovely stamp, and I thought this would be nice as a belly band or a pocket front. Stamp that out. So yeah, that's why I got that. I'm going to keep that out so that I put it away in my stamps. Got another one here. There, nice big stamp. I am in the process of sorting my stamps out and finding ways of using them. Not ways of using them, ways of making them more accessible so I can use them. So like that. So we'll get them used. I bought this. What did I pay for it? 75p. Where it's got that red mark on it is our price. So I thought, I've got loads and loads of lace and things, and ribbons and scarves and things, and so I thought it was a good way of having them accessible. So just hang this up on a hook and have them all dangling down. Quite liked it. Quite like that as an organisational idea. And then I bought this. I liked the box, and it's got envelopes, paper and note cards. 5 note cards, 15 writing sheets, 20 envelopes. I thought it was quite pricey for what it was, but it's got feathers on it, and feathers and butterflies, and every day when I'm out on my walks I see butterflies and I see feathers, and I pick up feathers, and I'm creating I've got a jar that I'm collecting all the feathers in, and I see these as signs from Ed, and so I just thought this is another sign that I'm supposed to buy it, and then I can use, and that I journal every day, but I do it in an app on my phone, and I've been saying for a while that really I should write things down, and then I can put pictures or receipts of things or what have you, so it's more tangible, so I can physically look at it. It'll be sort of nicer to keep and look back on than an app on my phone, really. Trying to be a bit more mindful and not be on my phone so much. I'm not succeeding. I haven't tried very hard, but yeah, so I bought this. This is a nice little box actually, Jez. So yeah, so we've got, so that could be 2 journaling cards, because I can cut it down centre, so that's worth it. Oh, that's just on the bit of card there. That wasn't. So it's a leaf, Jez. It's not a feather. It's a leaf. I thought they were feathers. The blooming leaves. Oh, never mind. Never mind. That it's still fine. But I did think these were leaves. I bet some of you are looking, going, they're not feathers, just the leaves. Yeah, I'm a numpty. So that's nice. Got a butterfly on. I can use them. And then this note paper are leaves. So that's fine. So that's quite autumnal. I could actually use some of this for my swap, maybe. So there we go. Yeah, not quite what I thought it was, but still nevertheless very nice. And I bought this because I thought it was pretty. It's got a mirror in the bottom, and I'm gonna make a nice little sort of cushiony thing for it. And I've got a silver necklace with a heart on it that's got Ed's fingerprint on it, and I'm afraid that it's going to get worn away and I'd be devastated. So I've ordered another necklace with Ed's ashes, and so I'm going to wear that one permanently, and I'm going to put my other necklace in this, and I'm going to have it with his big box of ashes and his beautiful picture, and so it will be a little keepsake that I can go in, and every now and again I can put my finger on it and touch him. And he loved dragonflies. If we were going out for walks, he would always see them and he'd go, Jess, look, dragonfly. So yeah, and it's got purple on it, so it was like, yeah, this is a really beautiful box, very apt for that purpose. I'm just going to put that to one side. I got this. I saw it, I walked away, came back a couple of days later. I think I saw it 3 times before I then bought it. I loved the pattern on it, £2. I loved the pattern. It is bone china, Minton, Haddon Hall. But the reason why I bought it is I have quite a lot of tools that aren't very big, that I kind of lose all the flipping time, and I thought that these ones that are a little bit smaller, that I'm always losing, that if I add this, I lose it all the blooming time. That would be a good way, my stitch ripper. To be fair, you're a bit big. Then that is, and look, as I've done that, I could see my 6-inch ruler that I've been looking for ages, and I just thought that's just pretty on my desk. And it's those little things, and because it's pretty, I'm more likely to use it. And you know, it's a bit vintage, and I like vintage, so something to make me smile on my desk. And I'm all about, I want to find things that make me smile, and it made me smile going back to the shop and finding out that it was still there. So that's why I bought that. And then another thing to make me smile, I saw this. Today's beautiful moments are tomorrow's beautiful memories. And and I'm living on memories, so, but it's also to remind me of what's happening now will be beautiful memories in the future. So, you know, treasure moments, not things. So yeah, that's why I bought that. And I liked it because it's like, I'm obsessed with, I love postage, memorabilia and stamps and things. So yeah, so I can hang that in my room somewhere. I'll put it there for the moment. Yeah. Oh, and I'm going to get a bit dirty again now. So I saw this and I thought, oh, you're quite pretty. And I kind of thought, oh, you'll be a perfume bottle. I remember my mum had one. So I just assume that's what it is. So you fill it with perfume and, you know, you can carry it in your handbag. But I carry in a little plastic bottle that's not pretty some of Ed's ashes with me. So I've always got him with me. And some people might think that's a bit morbid. I find it comforting. So I just thought this would be pretty. This would be much nicer. So I'm going to put a bit of him in there to have with me wherever I go. And yeah, I was, you know, there is a bottle I've got in my head that I would prefer to have, but this is a good something to keep whilst I'm waiting to find the thing that I really want. And yeah, so I bought that for that reason. I know it's not for everybody, but it is what I wanted to do. And then my last, I've got two of these. They're exactly the same. So I'm going to show you both the covers and then I'll just show you the inside of one. So I ended up buying them both. They were £2 each. I thought I only need one, but I decided I couldn't decide between this sort of like paisley-esque cover or the peacock feathers. I love both. So I just went, oh, just get them both, Jez. Just get them both. So they are, it's a photo album. That's just all fallen. That's the back, that's the front. And so we've got a little bit of this sort of glassine. It's textured glassine. So there's one of these in between each sheet. So I just thought that'll just pull out quite easily. So that, obviously, I can make little envelopes. I can make all sorts out of that. So that's worth having. And then that leaves you with these wonderful thick card. I don't know where my words are. And I thought I could do some masterboards or some collages on here. Maybe do one a week in a video. Then they can all stay in the book until sometime when I want to use it. And then I can take it out and it could be 3 tags, a couple of journaling cards, whatever. It's plain on the back, so I'd want to grunge that up a little bit. And then I've got these wonderful sheets as well. So how many have I got? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. There's 30. I bought 2, so that's 60. If I did one a week, that's over a year's worth of projects. Oh, I could do that, couldn't I? Challenge myself. Do a weekly collage. Would people be interested in that? Have me rabbiting on about my usual garbage that I'm doing or thinking, and be inspired. Could use like the scraps on my desk. There'll be a way of cleaning up my desk maybe on a weekly basis. Use up some of my scraps and bits to produce a little collage. Maybe. Tell me what you think. So that's my hauls. I have just filmed 4 hauls in a row. Wow. So that's a month's worth all sorted, thank goodness. And then I can get on with the crafting with the stuff. Yeah. And I have got to now, I've done my collaboration videos. I've got a journal to finish that I've started, mini journal, that I need for the retreat. I'm doing the Rachel Bella retreat, and I've got to do my Rachel Bella swaps. So you may have seen those already. You may not. because I don't know what order all this is going out in. But anyway, I'm rabbiting now. So see you all again soon. Take care. Enjoy the rest of your Sunday. Bye for now.